Scientific developments and technological advancements in the 21st century mean that the intrigue of hidden secrets and unsolved mysteries has disappeared into the past. There are some notable exceptions, however, one of which is the Bermuda Triangle. It has been subject to countless investigations and years of speculation, but the aura of darkness and fascination surrounding this unsettling phenomenon remains untouched. At the moment, we are as far away from unveiling the truth as we were when the first planes and ships began disappearing. In the meantime, legends and myths have arisen attempting to explain why it has been the center of disaster and death. The Bermuda Triangle, it is said, is a haunted place. But before we tell you more about it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these questions. We have so much more exciting content lined up for you. The Bermuda Triangle is a span of ocean which lies just off the coast of the United States of America, encompassing hundreds of thousands of square miles in the North Atlantic Ocean. The frightful reputation of this area was first inspired by an article which was published in 1964 in the pulp magazine Arisen. This article reflected on Flight 19, wherein 5 Navy planes left their base in Florida and flew over the region during a routine training mission. Neither the planes nor the crew were ever sighted again. Other disastrous voyages were mentioned alongside this faithful expedition. For example, the disappearance of a supply ship in 1918, as well as a flight of bombers in 1945, alongside the search and rescue planes sent out after them. These stories became the foundation of the eerie legend which is the Bermuda Triangle, accompanied by the inclination that some supernatural entities or otherworldly forces are lurking in the murky depths of the Atlantic Ocean. Scientific and logical explanations have been considered as well. For example, it has long been known that the waters in this region are particularly unpredictable and dangerous, not least because the Bermuda Triangle is regularly frequented by hurricanes. Some say that the Bermuda Triangle is the site of a terrifying magnetic anomaly, where the Earth's magnetic fields have become twisted and warped, thereby leading anyone who happens upon it astray. Another potential theory argues that the Earth's magnetic North Pole and the geographic North Pole are actually different, which means that compasses don't usually point exactly north. A compass is only truly reliable on so-called agonic lines, where the magnetic and geographic north perfectly align with one another. The argument is that sailors usually account for the aforementioned discrepancy when they are reading a compass, so they may have been led astray once they came across the agonic line without realizing. A more modern theory is that the seafloor beneath the Bermuda Triangle is known to contain colossal pockets of gas, which can be suddenly released. This would transform the ocean into a tumultuous whirlpool which swallows ships in their entirety. The Bermuda Triangle also happens to be home to some of the deepest underwater trenches in the ocean, and it would seem to make sense that the wreckage could be dragged down, forever hidden from sight. Aside from hurricanes, the weather around the Bermuda Triangle leaves nothing to be desired. With the right atmospheric conditions, towering waves can develop within a matter of moments in the region, spelling disaster for any vessel traveling in the vicinity. Unpredictable storms have also been known to produce waterspouts, essentially the aquatic equivalents of tornadoes, which also have perilous consequences for anyone who is caught unawares. Still, none of these theories have been definitively proven to be right. It is perhaps for this reason that the legend of the Bermuda Triangle continues to endure, as it is countlessly told and retold to generation upon generation. In a time where we have combed the Earth for its every hidden treasure and dark secret, there is little wonder that the intrigue surrounding the Bermuda Triangle continues to persist. Whether it is a giant squid with thrashing tentacles, a wormhole leading to another dimension, or the landing site of an alien spaceship, the Bermuda Triangle has enthralled and baffled us in equal measure. After all, creating narratives and retelling stories is one of the oldest practices in human civilization, and the Bermuda Triangle gives us the opportunity to indulge in this ancient tradition when many of the old myths and legends have already been dispelled. If given the choice of imagining the horror of an alien abduction or a demonic ocean creature dragging a ship down into the depths, and a wrong reading on a compass or a pocket of gas, who could, honestly, not entertain the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle? If you're an inquisitive soul who is passionate about learning and knowledge as we are, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more explorations and discussions.